Hello, welcome to Divine Motivation, where we delve into the depths of Indian culture and spirituality. Our channel is inspired by the priceless teachings of various deities, starting with the divine stories of Lord Krishna from the Srimad Bhagavatam. Join us on the spiritual journey and draw inspiration from the sacred teachings and life lessons that guide us toward a motivated and meaningful life. Let's embrace this divine journey together and gain strength from the inspiration of God. Jaya Shri Krishna Jaya Shankar. The Avatar story. In the beginning of creation, God assumed his cosmic form, Virat, which is the source of his many incarnations, into which they withdraw. From this cosmic form, all gods, humans, and other creatures were created. Typically, 10 major incarnations are mentioned, but the Bhagavatam describes 24 or even more. Just as countless streams emerge from a single lake, countless incarnations manifest from Sri Hari, the source of creation. These incarnations are either portions of him or transformations of his qualities into human forms. However, Sri Krishna is God himself. He incarnates in every age to save us from various kinds of sufferings. Shaunaka asked Sutta why Shukadeva, who is completely absorbed in the bliss of the self and is the greatest ascetic, studied this scripture. Sutta replied that the qualities of the Supreme Lord Hari are so glorious that even sages fully absorbed in the self develop spontaneous love for the Lord. Shukadeva was drawn not only to the wonderful qualities of the Lord but also to the devotees. Hence, he studied the scripture to relate it to the devotees. Sutta continued, "Now, I shall narrate the story of King Parikshit. King Parikshit, the son of the great warrior Abhimanyu and grandson of Arjuna, one of the 5 Pandavas, was saved from the deadly Brahmastra weapon by Lord Krishna while still in his mother's womb. Before the Pandavas embarked on their final journey, King Yudhishthira handed over his kingdom to Parikshit and installed him on the royal throne. King Parikshit ruled his vast kingdom with great heroism and righteousness. One day, while on a hunting expedition in a forest, he became extremely hungry and thirsty. He came across a small hermitage where a sage was seated in deep meditation. Not understanding the sage's meditative state, the king repeatedly asked for water, but the sage neither responded nor moved. Losing patience, the king placed a dead snake around the sage's neck and left in search of water. The sage, Shamika, had a young son named Shringi. When Shringi learned that the king had placed a dead snake around his father's neck, he became furious and immediately cursed, "The one who has insulted my father will die in 7 days from the venom of the snake Takshaka." When Shamika learned of his son's curse, he was disheartened. He realized that the person who had just visited his hermitage was King Parikshit, a righteous and supreme protector of the realm. Shamika rebuked his son, saying, "Alas, you foolish boy, what have you done? This was not a serious offense, but you have inflicted a severe punishment on a virtuous king who protected the country. Who will do that now?" But the curse had already been cast and could not be undone. Returning home, King Parikshit felt remorseful for his mistreatment of the sage and could not forgive himself. He soon learned of the curse and decided to prepare for his death. He handed over his kingdom to his son Janamejaya and went to the bank of the Ganges. There, he spread a grass mat, sat down, and resolved to give up his body by fasting to death. News of the king's resolve spread, and many saints and sages gathered around Parikshit, praising him for his lofty vow. They decided to stay with him until he gave up his body. Thanks for watching this video. Next part of story will be covered in next video. Thank you for watching Divine Motivation. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. To stay connected with us, press the bell icon and get updates on new videos. Your suggestions and feedback are welcome. Jaya Shri Krishna Jaya Shankar.